Hi students, this is the new video of the probability chapter class 10th mathematics. So we take today the problem sending from your side and one questions from my side. The question is the horse question. Read the question. Two customers, Meeta and Nina, are visiting a particular shop in the same week, Monday to Saturday. Each is equally likely to visit the shop on any one day as on other. What is the probability that they both visit the shop on same day? Probability of visit on same day, visit on different day, visit on consecutive day. So we want the probability of this two friends, Meeta and Nita, from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday means the shopping mall or any shops open from Monday to Saturday, and probability that of visit on same day, different day, and the constant day. So you only in your mind see from Monday to Saturday they have 6 days. So possible outcome, that is 6 into 6, 36. But how we make? See. If Meeta Monday, these are all possible outcome. Meeta Monday, Nita Monday, both Monday. Meeta Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Wednesday. Monday, Thursday. Monday, Friday. Monday, Saturday. Same Tuesday, Monday. Dash. Saturday. So they all are the 36 outcomes you can fill for the Meeta and Nita. That means upon 36. Because total outcomes 6 into 6, 36. Because both have same possibilities. Same day means Meeta Monday, Nita Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 upon 36, 1 by 6. Different day means other than same days, means 36 whole and 6 same days, that is 30 upon 36. 5 by 6. What's about the consecutive days? Consecutive means 1 by 1. That means Monday, Tuesday, consecutive. Tuesday, Monday, this also consecutive. Same. Tuesday, Wednesday, consecutive. Wednesday, Tuesday, also consecutive. So Monday, Tuesday, Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday also consecutive. Wednesday, Tuesday consecutive. Wednesday, Thursday consecutive. Thursday, Friday consecutive. And the Thursday, Wednesday consecutive. Friday, Saturday consecutive, and also Friday, Thursday consecutive. Saturday, Friday consecutive, So how many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 36, that means 5 by 18. That's terms of consecutive. Monday, Tuesday and Sunday, Monday consecutive, but Sunday is not here, so we can't take for Monday 2, but for all Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Means 2, 3 consecutive and 3, 2 also consecutive. 2, 4, 5 consecutive, 4, 3 consecutive. So same logic used here. So we get the 10 outcomes. So these are the answer for the same day, different day and consecutive days. Pause the video and note down. See the next question. Read the question. Question number 18. A bag contains 18 balls, out of which X balls are red. If one ball is drawn random from the bag, what is the probability that is not red? 18 ball. Total number of balls 18. Red balls X. Probability of not red ball, that is total ball 18 and not red ball 18 minus X. 18 total ball and not red means subtract red ball. If I say what is the probability of red ball, so red ball is X upon 18. And if 2 more red balls are put in the bag, means now number of red balls is X plus 2. 2 more red balls are in the bag. The probability of drawing a red ball will be, probability of drawing a red ball will be 9 upon 8 times the probability of drawing a red ball in first case. Probability of red ball in first case. Find the value of X. So what is the probability of red ball in first case? X by 18. And probability of red ball in this case, X plus 2 by 20. Because if the number of red ball is X plus 2, so total ball is also increased by 2, that is 20. So find the value of X. Solve it. 9, 18, that is 2, 10, 2, 4, 2, 5, then only 4, cross multiply, 5 into X, 4 into X plus 8, so X is equal to 8. The value of X is 8. Okay, pause the video, note down. Now see next question. That is 38 questions standing from your side. The king, jack and 10 of spade are lost from a pack of 52 cards. Means king, jack, 10 of spade are removed. Means number of playing cards remain 52 minus 3, 49. Because one spade, one jack, spade of king, spade of jack, spade of 10 are removed. Means 3 card is less in total pack. And a card is drawn from the remaining pack. Find the probability of red card, probability of black jack, probability of red king, probability of 10 of hearts. So, red card. Total number of card is 49 for all. Because only 49 cards are remaining in the pack. How many red card? 26. Any red card remove? You know, spade are black in color. Means no red cards are removed. That is 26 by 49. Black jack. Black jack any removed? How many black jack? Black jack, jack having 4, 2 red, 2 black. So 2 black jack, but 1 jack are removed. 1 black jack are removed. Means only 1 jack are in the pack. That is spade of jack removed. So club of jack is remain. So 1 upon 49. Red king. How many red king? Only 2 red king. Total 4. 2 black, 2 red. 2 red king in this pack. But here no red king are removed. Means all 2 red king in the pack. So 2 upon 49. 10 of hearts. How many hearts in pack? Heart means that is only 1. 1 upon 49. Okay? Because spade removed. Heart in the pack already. So that is 1 upon 49. Because the removing cards is not included here. Pause, will note down. Peter, next question. Question number 39, I think. Peter throw 2 different dice together and find the product of two numbers obtained. Reena throw a dice and squares the numbers obtained. Who has better chance to get the number 25? So, what's the question say? For Peter, 2 dice, but for Reena, 1 dice. Peter do product of 2 numbers. Means probability of getting Peter get the product 25. Because when we throw 2 dice, so 1 dice up, suppose that 1, second dice up 4, so 1 4 is a 4. 1 dice up 5, second dice up 4, 5 4 20. So in which case you get the product 25? When both dice have 5 5. Only 1 means only one outcomes which get the product 25. Out of how many? 2 dice thrown, total outcome is 36. So the Peter probability is 1 by 36. But the probability of Reena get the square of number 25. When Reena throw 1 dice, so total outcome is 6. Square of number is 25. So 1 is square, 2 is square, dash, dash, dash. So only when 5 is squared is 25. Means when the dice up face is 5. So Reena get square 25. Means only one outcome, that is 5. That's Reena have to square is 25. So which have the better options for 25 getting? So which number are greater? Find the equivalent fraction. Multiply by 6. 6 by 36. So 6 by 36 is greater than 1 by 36. Therefore, Reena get a better option to get 25. Okay, pause video, note down. Next question of 14, sent from your side. A cartoon consists of 100 salt, of which 88 are goods and 8 are minor defect. Total salt 100, good salt 88, minor defective salt 8. So Rohit, a trader, will only accept the salt which are good. First, Rohit purchase only good salt. Another trader, Kamal, will only reject the salt which have major defect. Kamal reject the salt of major defect. Means whose salts are major defective, so Kamal is not purchased. So what is the probability of the acceptable of Rohit and Kamal? So first question, probability of salt acceptable by Rohit. Second probability, salt acceptable by Kamal. If 88 good salt, 8 minor defective salt, so the major defective salt is 100 minus 88 plus 8, that is 4. Means only 4 salt are major defective. So Rohit purchased only good salt. How many good salts? 88. So the salt acceptable by Rohit is 88 by 100, that is 22 by 25. But the salt acceptable by Kamal only reject the major defect. Means Kamal reject only this 4 salt and these 2 are acceptable for Kamal. So 96 salt is acceptable for Kamal. So that is 96 by 100. So you get 24 by 25. Okay, I hope so you understand. Means we only understand the question, and the probabilities problem is very easy. There is 3 marks question is board examination. So 1 marks given for this and 1 marks this. If you not done this step, so 1.5 marks for first, 1.5 marks for second. Total 3 marks. Pause the video, note down. The question is cards marks 1 to 100 and mixed together in a box, and 1 card is drawn. Find the probability of the card is an even number. Probability of the card is the number less than 4. Probability of the card is the multiple of 6. Probability of the card is the divisible by 3. So, question is only this: card 1 to 100, even number. So, how many even number? All, 100, 100, 100, 100. Even number 50. 1 by 2. First is so easy. This is 4 marks question board examination, but 1 marks you get because first answer is right. Even number probability 1 by 2, 50 upon 100. Good. Less than 4. So less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. Not 4. Less than 4. So 3 by 100. Second answer right. Third answer. Multiple of 6. So 6, 12, dash, 96. So how many numbers you get? So here you have to use the arithmetic progression. L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L is 96, last number. N minus 1. D is also 6. So 90, 6n opposite side. 6n minus 6. So 6n is equal to 96. Again add. So n equal to 6 1 6 6 36. So 16 number is the multiple of 6. That is 16 by 100. 4 by 25. Okay. These are the good questions because it's use AP. You can directly count them. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, dash. So 16 number you get. We can use the formula. Same process, divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 99. L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 99. A is 3. N minus 1 into 3. Open the bracket. 3 plus 3n minus 3. 3 cancel. 99 upon 3 is equal to n. 33. So 33 numbers which are divisible by 3. So that's the fourth answer. Okay. Why we take this question? Because it's used. We have to use AP. Either you can count them dash and so on. Okay. Pause the video and note down. And the next question is very concept based question and the 1 mark question. If I say a letter India, so find the probability of the getting I. If we select a letter from India, so probability of I, that is 1I, 2I, 2 by 5. Answer. Probability of getting a vowels. You know vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So how many vowels here? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 5. E, I, O, U are vowels, and here 2 I and 1 A, 3 vowels. So probability of vowels is 3 by 5. So these are the unique and some different question, 1 marks question, MCQs questions come every year in board examination. Means you have only think the concept what the question want, so you can easily solve the question. Otherwise you are facing the problems, and the probability is very, you can say the confused. If you confused in the question, so you get 0 marks. Because if this is right, so 1 marks, wrong, 0 marks. Know the step marking for the probability. Thank you. Class, pause video, note down.